So basically, after the prototype had been completed, the instruction is to publish it to a repository, and then it starts talking about Git and GitHub, and like I'll profess some ignorance. I don't fully understand Git. I don't really understand GitHub. Tell me more about this, please.
So this is all about understanding version control. Any successful software engineering effort must have version control, which basically means that your code is always versioned just like a Microsoft Word document with track changes,
Okay.
that you can know the state of your code at all times and that it's working at all times and that sort of thing. Git is one such version control software, and GitHub is a global repository for Git projects. And so by using Git and publishing software to GitHub, you're able to demonstrate a knowledge of using version control in your software engineering process, which is very important to 18F.
And these Git repositories are publicly accessible, right?
Via GitHub or GitLab and Bitbucket and others, yes.
That's interesting. So everything is being done in the open, right? There's all this sort of open repository, open data, open everything. Is that a pretty typical way for agile software developers to work?
The Digital Services Playbook advises us to default to open, and this BPA clearly tries to follow that tenet. And any good software engineer is going to use version control to protect the quality of their software, to make sure that any changes they make don't blow up previously working software. And by espousing these virtues, the government is making sure that the software that they get will be of high quality.
Interesting.